Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the TikTok filters not working or effects not working issue. If you are unable to use TikTok filters or effects, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, ensure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if an update is available. Next, check your internet connection. Filters and effects often require a stable connection to load properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or test your connection by opening another app or website. If the filters are still not working, clear TikTok's cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, App Management, find TikTok, and tap on it. Then select Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Restart TikTok and check if the filters now work. If clearing the cache doesn't help, force stop the TikTok app. Go back to the TikTok app settings, tap force stop and confirm. Reopen TikTok and try using the effects again. Sometimes filters or effects may not be available on your region or on your specific device. To confirm, try accessing the same filters on another device or a different TikTok account. If the issue persists, log out and log back in. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. Select log out and then log back in with your credentials. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Long press the TikTok app icon, select uninstall, confirm and reinstall the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your account and test the filters again. These steps should fix the filters not working or effects not working issue on TikTok. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.